Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kynhun Myntri hanya kasni kala Mynjur ya bun kimat kibadon kam kibakenthop ya ki electric vehicle policy ke New Shillong Development Authority and infrastructure projects kabadon ya kathong ban penklan ya ke Jipenroy boarding ban penklan ya ki kampenroy ha ki kaput. Kynhun Myntri kala Mynjur ban Pynjlan ya ke Jingtreikam jong uba BM war Chief Engineer ke MECL balasong thai kumu Chief Technical Advisor hak tanat boarding jong ke sarkar jela. Kiwei pat kimat kiba Kynhun Myntri ka Mynjur kadai halor ke Jingmenta ya ki Myntri manlay ya Shimenta ha ke Independence Day haman lagi district par ke Mynjur ya ke Jipenkala ya ke Meghalaya GST Act makan long katkum karai jong ke GST Council.
Discussed in the cabinet meeting today. So number one was amendment to new township development agency rules 2012, which was decided in the year 2012 with regard to New Shillong Township Development Agency. So this has been, amended, and now the government is cabinet has passed as New Shillong Development Authority, hereinafter as the authority of NSDA, New Shillong Development Authority. So this is an authority now. It was an agency before. Now it will be an authority. So number two. Number two will be extension of Chief Technical Advisor. Extension of appointment of Chief Technical Advisor generation in Power Department. It was Mr. B.M. War, retired Chief Engineer Civil, Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, will be, he will be continuing as Chief Technical Advisor generation in Power Department. Number three, the requirement of land compensation during the construction of 132 kV transmission line from 220/132 kV Sewage substation to be proposed 132/33 kV, 2 into 50 MBA Maukanu substations. Basically, there was a stretch of around 6.5 kilometers transmission line which is being drawn the line to the switches Maukanu substations. So there government has to acquire some plot of land there, so which cabinet has already approved. It's a stretch of 6.5 kilometers for 22 crores 37,83,729. So cabinet has approved this substation line, and beneath this power line, transmission line is also will be the plot where the department will be using. So that is called right of way. So the fourth one will be Meghalaya Goods and Services Tax Act 2027 by way of an ordinance. This is actually mandated by the rules. The GST Council under the government of India, whichever GST Council is being passed, that has to be passed by the Meghalaya cabinet or any other state cabinets accordingly, and that is a mandatory by the government of India norms and all. So therefore, this is passed according to the needs of the GST Council.